Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to transfer your photos, videos or any other files from your Samsung Galaxy phone to your computer. To begin with the process and to make things easier, we're gonna create a folder. We're gonna do a right click on an empty space on your computer and now we're going to select new. Click on new and now go up and select folder. And now it's gonna ask you to name it. You can call it whatever you like. In my case, I'll call it photos from Samsung phone. Now it's time to connect your phone to your PC using a USB-C charging cable. Once connected, your PC will recognize the phone, but you won't see your photos quite yet. We need to give the computer permission. Now pick up your phone. You might see a pop-up asking to allow access to phone data. Go ahead and tap allow. If you don't see that, swipe down from the top of your screen to open your notification panel. And now tap the notification that says USB for file transfer or charging via USB. And now we're going to select the one that says transferring files / Android Auto. And now for security purposes, your phone is going to ask you for your PIN. Go ahead and enter that. In my case, I'm gonna use my fingerprint. And now let's move over to the computer. We're gonna click on your search bar right here and we're gonna type in File Explorer. And now select the first option that pops up on the left hand side bar. And scroll down and click on this PC. And now you should see your Samsung phone listed here. So let's double click it and now double click again on internal storage. And now look for the folder named DCIM. Then open the camera folder. And if you only see icons instead of your actual photos, click on the view right here and select large icons. Now you can see exactly which photos you are moving. To select your photos, press and hold the left key on your mouse, and while holding it, drag it across the files you want to select. Once they are highlighted in blue, right click and choose copy. If you want to keep the photos on both devices, on your computer and also your smartphone. Or you can select cut if you want to move them off the phone entirely. Now we're gonna click on this one right here, on this option, the minimize window option, and we're going to open the folder that we created a few minutes ago. To open the folder, you just need to double click on it like this. And now you're going to right click inside the empty space and you're going to select paste. And now your photos will begin transferring. If you want to save time and move an entire folder, simply right click the folder itself. For instance, I'm gonna move this family only folder. Okay, and now I'm gonna select copy to transfer the entire folder directly into my computer. Just take into account that if the folder has way too many photos and videos, it's gonna take quite a few minutes to transfer all the files. And as simple as that, now you have your photos on your Windows computer. Now if your phone didn't pop up on your computer, don't worry. First, try a different USB cable. Sometimes a damaged cable is the problem, and if that doesn't work, try restarting both your phone and also your computer. To restart your Samsung phone, just hold the volume down and power button for 3 seconds and then tap on restart. If you run into any other issues, please leave a comment down below and I'll be more than glad to help you out. I hope this video helps and thanks so much for watching. Stay safe and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye now.